If you're a brokerage owner, team leader, or solo agent, and your business feels like a treadmill that never stops, this is the four-stage framework that fixes it. I'm Johnny Corey, founder of JCGR. We're a strategic consultancy for real estate entrepreneurs. We replace chaos with structure. S, structure. Document your client journey, your follow-up flows, your weekly cadence. If it lives in your head, it doesn't exist. A, automation. Lead follow-up, appointment setting, nurture sequences, the things that run while you're at the closing table. F, follow-up. Most deals are lost after the first interaction, not the first call. Multi-touch sequences are where the money you're already leaving on the table comes back. E, expansion. Authority positioning, referrals, leverage. But only after the first three are stable. Skip ahead and you scale chaos. Take the 90-second chaos audit. Link in description. Calm growth, not chaotic success.